पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
पूरे कैनेडा भर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਡੇ ਬੜੀ ਹੀ ਧੂਮਧਾਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀਜ਼ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਡੇ ਬੜੀ ਹੀ ਧੂਮਧਾਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਾइस प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर प्रीतम शर्मा ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਹਾਂਜੀ शर्मा जी, ਕੀ कहना चाਹੁੰਦੇ ਅੱਜ?
आज मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग जब यहाँ आए थे तब हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं था, तो इस कंट्री ने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया है। हमारे परिवार को, हमारे बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि वो अपने भविष्य में आगे बढ़ सकें। और इसी तरह ये जो कम्युनिटी है जहाँ ये आज कनाडा डे मनाया जा रहा है सारे देश में, हर कोई जो नए लोग आते हैं कैनेडियन जो यहाँ आके अपना नया घर बनाना चाहते हैं, नया जीवन शुरू करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए हम सभी लोग वॉलंटियर के लिए तैयार होते हैं और उनकी मदद करते हैं जितनी मदद हम कर सकते हैं। What can I say? This is the best country, the home and native land.
कनाडा डे के अवसर पर रेणु जी आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं?
जैसा प्रीतम भाई ने बोला, we are so proud to be in this country. This country has given us so much opportunities to grow, and I just cannot tell you कि बच्चे इस कंट्री में उनको कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, सारे नए इमिग्रेंट्स को आजकल बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही हैं। So we are very proud to be Canadians.
कनाडा डे पर राजेश्वर जी आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं?
Yeah, first of all, I want to say that Happy Canada Day to all the Indo-Canadian community. And this is the day when we are celebrating being a proud Canadian. And then whatsoever is the popular culture of the Canada, we are celebrating this day.
ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੌਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨ ਨੇ MLA ਨਰੇਸ਼ ਭਾਰਦਵਾਜ ਜੀ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਰਦਵਾਜ ਜੀ, ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ 'ਤੇ?
ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਜੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਅਲਬਰਟਾ ਦੇ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਔਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਡੇ ਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਡਾਈਵਰਸਿਟੀ, ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਮਲਟੀਕਲਚਰਲਿਜ਼ਮ। ਸੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵੱਲੋਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ।
ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀਜ਼ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੌਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨ ਨੇ ਮੈਲਬੋਰਨ ਤੋਂ MLA मानयोग सुहेल कादरी जी। हाँ जी सुहेल भाई, क्या कहना चाहते हैं आज इस कनाडा डे सेलिब्रेशन मौके में?
सबसे पहले तो मैं इंडिया सोसाइटी को कंग्रेचुलेशन करना चाहता हूँ कि वो हर साल एक बहुत अच्छा यूनिक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। एंड इट इज़ माय ऑनर एंड प्लेजर टू बी हियर एंड बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेलिब्रेशन। एंड it is, I was thinking about today, what's Canada? I mean, actually me and Matt, we did a little video shot, and we talk about what is Canada to us. And I say, me being as an elected member of Legislative Assembly, it is Canada. Then if you can understand what I mean by that, it's the richness, the acceptance, and the potential, and the providing the even feel, that is Canada. So I say happy Canada Day, long live Canada.
At celebration of Canada Day here at the Council of India Societies, we have among us MP Mike Lake. Mike, what you want to say to our audience at this time?
Well, first of all, just wish everybody a very, very happy Canada Day. And I'd just like to talk about what great work the Council of India Societies does. Obviously, this country is made up of people from all over the world who come here, contribute their talents and their skills and abilities to make this the greatest country in the world. And the Council of India Societies is a great example of an organization that takes the best of the culture of India and the very diverse culture of India and the different communities that of people that have come here to make Canada their home and brings them together in an environment that is just amazing. It's so wonderful to be a part of this celebration every year with the great work that the Council of India Societies does.
At this time, we also have among us Matt General, MLA from Edmonton. Matt, what you want to say at this time?
Yeah, well, it's just a real pleasure to be here today and be part of the Canada Day festivities. It's my first time here, and being a new MLA, it's exciting to participate and to be here with the India Council of Societies. It's a real privilege and a pleasure, and happy Canada Day to everybody out there.
At this time at Canada Day celebration, we have among us Karen Lobovici, who is running for mayor from Edmonton. Karen, what do you want to say about Canada Day?
Well, I want to wish everyone a happy Canada Day, and it's a time for us to celebrate the wonderful country that we have, but also the wonderful city that we have. I think we can be very proud of all that occurs here, and especially when you look at the diverse cultures and religions that make up this wonderful, wonderful city. And so that's what we need to be proud of, and that's what we need to celebrate. So happy Canada Day, everyone.
It is my pleasure to welcome you all here this afternoon to celebrate Canada Day. Canada is 146 years old today. It has been a wonderful journey, and it involves every single one of us. In Canada, we have many amazing people, and we are known around the world to be the most polite and helpful people. Would you like to know who these amazing people are? Well, they are your neighbors. They are the people of different diversities and religion thriving in this country, building on the cultural mosaic that is known worldwide as Canada. They are you and I. We are the millions of Canadians who volunteer to make our community a better place. We raise our children to welcome new Canadians who arrive here with the aspiration of making this country their home, just as we hoped when we first arrived here with our families. In our armed forces, the people who undertake acts of incredible bravery and serve our communities and country in the line of duty, both here and at home and overseas. Often in the difficult and dangerous circumstances, our troops continue to train the people of Afghanistan to police and organize their armies to defend themselves against terrorism. As you all know, our neighbors to the south of us, Calgary and High River, are still under disastrous conditions, and many people are still unable to go home. Our city responded to assist the people in the need. Our armed forces, City of Edmonton Police, Edmonton Transit Operators, and Edmonton Fire and Rescue all went to Calgary and helped out in whatever way they could. There has also been overwhelming support from all citizens across Alberta who have donated money and necessary resources to support regrowth in these areas. This is what Canadians are known for, and we will go anywhere in the world to help the needy. I believe that every one of us, regardless of our religion or background or color, can sing our national anthem with conviction in either French or in English. We say, our home and native land. Because as an immigrant myself who became Canadian, became part of Canada, I know what it is to give myself to my country. We are giving ourselves to it, its history totally, not just a tiny part of it. We have to recognize that the history of our country did not begin when we arrived here. Millions of people before us started this tradition, and we are just following in their footsteps. Adding to the history and diversity of Canada, future generations will carry on our traditions and also write their own histories. As Canadians, we share an impartial, civilized society that welcomes people from all over the world, no matter what their culture, religion, gender, or sexual preferences are. Canada is a country composed of immigrants from around the world, and that is something that really worth celebrating. Happy Canada, happy birthday. As most of you have noticed, our President R.S. Panikkar is absent today. With much sadness, I share the news of passing of his brother with you. Panikkar himself is quite ill today and has been ordered to bed rest. I would like to take a moment to pay respect to Panikkar and his family for the loss of his brother. Please rise and observe 1 minute of silence.
ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੌਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨ ਨੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜਾ ਬੈਂਕਟ ਹਾਲ ਤੇ ਸੁਲਤਾਨ ਬੈਂਕਟ ਹਾਲ ਦੇ ਮਾਲਕ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਚੌਧਰੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਚੌਧਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ?
ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਲਤਾਨ ਬੈਂਕਟ ਹਾਲ ਮਹਾਰਾਜਾ ਬੈਂਕਟ ਹਾਲ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟਾਫ ਦੀ ਤਰਫੋਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਿਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ।